HARBEC originated in 1977 as a contract manufacturer. Today we offer proven expertise in CNC machining, injection molding, and additive manufacturing. Our core competencies emphasize individual strengths and support a synergistic work environment. We target customer needs by developing procedures and instructions specific to every program. Scheduled updates and collaborative online meetings cut delays. The HARBEC team is led by processes developed over 40 years as guidelines for success. HARBEC's 50,000 square foot energy-efficient facility is located east of Rochester in Ontario, New York. We're an award-winning pioneer in sustainable manufacturing with ISO certifications dating back to 2001. HARBEC is also a carbon and water neutral manufacturer. To meet energy reduction goals, extremely efficient equipment powered by renewable sources are utilized. Using heat recovery and daylighting creates a comfortable work environment for manufacturing and boosts productivity, which increases the well-being of employees. Injection molding is one of our core strengths at HARBEC. With over 350 different engineering resins in stock, we have the know-how to develop a process for your application. Working with engineers, we help to develop the most efficient and cost-effective manufacturing processes to create the product they envisioned. Full process qualification and validation is standard with every production molding program. Using efficient electric molding machines produces parts with exceptional quality. Our roots are in CNC machining. We have a long, successful history of exceeding expectations. With over 40 CNC machines, our facility has the equipment for every job supported by a talented group of machinists certified in Mastercam. HARBEC also offers a dedicated team for cleanliness testing and microdeburring under magnification. Over the last 20 years, we have expanded and excelled in 3D printing of plastics and metals. With many processes available, we offer countless opportunities. Our tools and experience can make any design a reality. We also offer 3D printed mold inserts with internal channels for precision cooling. These conformally cooled mold inserts allow for significant cycle time reductions. At HARBEC, quality is a company-wide commitment. HARBEC employees are trained and tested in scientific injection molding. Our state-of-the-art quality lab has nearly 20 team members. Every part and process has a control plan that the quality staff monitors. Each employee participates in GD&T training and testing. The quality lab utilizes 5 coordinate measuring machines to provide accurate data. On your next project, consider HARBEC's 40 years of manufacturing experience to make it a success. Please contact us to learn more or schedule a visit.